Hello, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can find your phone number on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, enter the SIM cards and mobile networks category, and as you can see here, if your particular SIM card has its number saved into own memory, you'll see this phone number right here. As you can see, the SIM card that is installed or inserted at the first slot does have the phone number saved, and it displays it right here, which I cannot say so for the second SIM card. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.